Fun fact, that moaning sound you hear, that's from the Ghast. That's that big white cube thing that wants to shoot fire at you. Its voice is actually a recording of a cat snoring. Let me finish this extra bit. Sometimes what happens if you have a nether portal, the piglins wander through the portal right into your world. Or I've had it once or twice where I go to the other side of the portal and it was, all my villagers were in there running around. So at least this will keep them safe and catch them. But it's totally optional. Alright, so